Alright, so today I'm going to be installing the Alpharex LUXX LED headlights in this 2022 Ford F150. This is what they look like here. It's kind of hard to see, but you've got the two projectors right there. You've got that one right there. And then the DRL lights right here. You can switch between white and amber. I think I'm going to set mine to amber. So just a kind of a quick rundown of what we're going to do here. There's two 7mm bolts on both sides, and this valance pops off. Then I'm going to take off a bunch of these little Christmas tree clips up here. This grill, I think there's a few, if I remember right, there's a few bolts back there. This whole thing lifts off. And then there's two bolts right there. There should be a couple down here, like one on the inside. Whole housing will pop out, put the new one in, run some, they're just plug and play in the back. And then for the running lights, there's a positive and a negative up here. And then you should have to put a fuse tap into this this box back here, but I can't remember which one it is. There's videos on how to install these online. So if you want a detailed install video, I would suggest go watching one of those. But let me get all of this taken apart, put these new ones in, and I'll show you when we're doing a function check here in a little bit. Alright, so here they are installed at nighttime. These things are pretty freaking sweet. So you got your low beam right here. This is a when your blinker turns on, it shows like the corner you're turning into, and then the high beam. So let me kind of show you some of this. Turn the blinker on, so you can see that projector turns on, and you've got the nice strobing effect here. It's pretty sweet. High beams, pretty freaking bright. Beam pattern on these is really, really good. Yeah, there's your high beams. And then I also, this was back in July, and I made a video on it, but it was trash. So these are the dynamic, or Diode Dynamics fogs. Let me show you these real quick. So they've got a backlight in them. Here's the backlight. So you can see they light up amber with the backlight, and then I've got yellow amber, or yellow fogs, and just normal spotlights. They're pretty freaking bright too. So there's that. Yeah, man, these things are freaking awesome. Definitely the best money I've ever spent on this truck. Way better than the stock halogens, and I had last fit LED lights in the halogen housings, and they were trash too. But yeah, that's it. All right, this is the light that turns on when you have your blinker on. So I'll turn it off. You see, it goes off, turns on. That works pretty good on like dark roads when you can't really see where you're turning. That's pretty freaking cool.